This video has a little bit more than my experience with United Polaris Business Class, but rather it's a longer story than that. So the early flight, so I got to the airport to enjoy nice and big breakfast at United Club, but that's not because I booked business class. I used to pass to get in. I enjoy the breakfast there, so I'm willing to get up early to do it. And I grabbed a coffee on my way out. They got elite coffee, which I like. So the ticket I bought is actually for premium economy on a 777. And this is a new premium economy seat that I've actually not experienced before. I very seldom buy these tickets because it's not cheap at all. And a lot of times you think, well, you know, it's just a few hours, I'm going to tough it out, right? Rather than spending a few hundred more to get an upgrade to premium economy. But this time the difference was not that big, so I thought, okay, I'm just going to try it. And it is quite nice, actually. And as a YouTuber wannabe, I obviously sit down and start exploring the seat, the space, the features, comfort of this new premium economy. And it's really kind of a little more than I expected. I was looking forward to flying the East Coast on this seat. But then I heard the most beautiful words in English language, which are my name. So they call your name either like you're hunted down by the feds or they want to give you an upgrade. In this case, it's the upgrade. So just a reminder that if you have higher status or you're hoping or wishing to be upgraded on a flight like this, then you want to make sure that you pick a bigger plane, right? It has to be like a 777 or something dual aisle. Because of a single aisle, you're probably not going to get Polaris. You'll get those regular business class seats, which are just like bigger, cushier seats. And it might serve you food or might not. But if they have a Polaris cabin, it's usually a lot nicer. Not just the cabin itself, but also the service. Right, so this has all the international Polaris hardware, which is a really nice lie flat seat. It has noise cancellation, headphone. It has just little things that you would expect from a longer distance business class flight. And a very nice Saks Fifth Avenue blanket as always. That's kind of a signature of United. Polaris, okay, and yeah, very comfortable. See the configuration is one that I always enjoy very much because it offers you a lot of space. Primarily, it has a amenity kit, not like a fancy one, co-branded with a high-end, like luxury brand, but Away is not bad. It's a relatively simple one, but it has everything that you might need in a long flight like this. And the bag is definitely worth keeping. All right, so gonna take full advantage of the seat. So gonna lie flat as soon as I can. Legroom wise, there's no problem with these. My 5'8" height is the space here is perfectly adequate. All right, so one thing I'm looking forward to is that this early flight, what kind of food they're going to serve me. It's probably just one meal, and that was breakfast. So I chose French toast. It actually tastes quite fresh with good bread and fruit and drink, a lot of choices. And the frosting is actually hot, and that was very impressive. Afterwards, they ask you if you want a drink of any kind. I picked a cocktail, which is quite good as well. And later on, about 2-3 hours into the flight, they ask if you want a snack, and I chose the cheese platter. The cheeses are good, are fine, I would say. Like, don't expect them to be European or anything fancy, but it's a domestic business class, and I did not have to pay the business class fare. Enjoyed laying flat all the way to East Coast, and quite grateful, and I would take that upgrade anytime. Leave a comment below if you have experience with domestic business class flights. And thank you for following ABCD See the World. Until we fly again.